Hi everyone, I'm back with that video. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to do a simple holiday makeup look. As you see, I'm wearing my birthday dress in dark green. I'm pairing off with this amazing Indian earrings in green, like peacock green. I'm also pairing up with cross ring. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also notification bell. It's free, you can click below. I'll be here every week. Without further ado, let's get started. Wish you an advanced Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021. Here we go. So here it is. This is the final makeup look. I want to enjoy this Christmas, this red, some purple on my eyes. I really love this whole neutral vibes on my eyes. Also the gold, oh my god, gold specs on me. This is actually one of my first ever Christmas, holiday makeup looks. That you go for red lipstick or like this pink lipstick. You can choose whatever lipstick you want. That's all, you know what I'm saying. And I hope you everyone. I'll be see you in my brand new blog video on 25th of December this year. 2020 is almost over. You know what I'm saying. I'll be see you in my brand new video. Bye. See you soon. Bye.